Okay, hello, eighth graders. As I'm looking over your guys' assignments, you had models and scales was your last assignment. So if you have not caught up on assignments before that, there's a couple of you that haven't done indirect measure. Braden, it looks like you skipped an assignment. So make sure you go back. I unblocked them. If you have a problem with them getting blocked, write me on Blooms, email me, um, right under the YouTube video, whatever you need. To get my attention, I will unblock them as soon as possible. Blooms is probably the easiest way, or my email, because I check those throughout the day. Um, so all of you should have models and scales done. We are not doing the performance task for this unit, so I skipped that for all of you. Don't worry about that. We are not doing quiz 3 for this unit. That is also skipped. Um, with that being said, I do want you guys to do the review. The review covers the unit. You've done all the lessons for this unit. You just haven't done the quiz and test, which is fine. The review is not extremely hard. There's 20 questions. It's not weighted like a test. So I don't want anybody to freak out. Don't worry, it's going to be okay. Go through that review, make sure you're reading the lessons. If you don't already have all those vocabulary terms, I see there's tons of vocabulary terms for this unit. Make sure you have every single one of those vocabulary terms written down. You understand the terms, go over it, make sure it makes sense to you. Understand it. As for the rest of it, it's just little bits and pieces of each of your assignments. You can look back at the other older assignments if you need to. Please just do your best on the review. We will not be having the test after the review. That's something that we'll address when we get back into school. But I don't want you guys to worry about that right now. So just do the review. After the review, so Thursday's class, we're gonna move on to the next unit. So we're gonna put this unit behind us when we hit Thursday, and we'll just go through it the same way. We're not gonna be having quizzes or tests right now in math. So I don't want you guys to worry about that. Make sure you guys get the older assignments done though that you have not turned in. I do need those in because I am grading and I do not want to put zeros in anybody's assignments. So please, if there's one assignment, if there's a partial that you haven't turned in, look back at those and make sure you get them done. If you need me to unblock, just remember you can email me or write me on Blooms. I will unblock it for you. If you need help on the review, I will go over the review with you guys. 8th grade, your time on Zoom tomorrow is from 11 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. I will also have a sign-up sheet if there's any of you that are already on the next unit. I think Bella, you're on the next unit, and I think Haley, you might be on the next unit. So if you guys need extra help on those, sign up for a time slot and we could Zoom, and I'll walk you guys through a couple of the questions and make sure you understand the concepts that they're giving you. All right, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day.